So in this video, I'm going to actually use another application to create a report. So this is the report that I'm going to create. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to use this tool, the Audit Chain Suite, the Luca application in the Audit Chain Suite. So I've logged in, create a new report. Make sure the name's unique. And I don't want to key all this in. I just want to import it. I have an Excel spreadsheet that has all the report information. So I'm going to grab that Excel spreadsheet. Oh, I actually wanted to show it to you first. So here's the Excel spreadsheet. The base information, all the terms, the labels, the references, the structures, the associations, consistency rules, roll forward rules, member aggregation rules, adjustment rules, variance rules, non-standard rules. And it also has facts and dimensions and parenthetical explanations. Okay, so that's basically all the stuff that I would have had to key in, but I'm not going to key it in. I'm just going to grab it. I think that's the one. And I'm going to import it. So now I showed you in other videos disclosures and disclosure mechanics rules and reporting checklists. So I'm now going to use that information to verify all the stuff that I imported from Excel. So I'm not going to go through all this stuff. It's all imported. Now I'm going to verify it. And everything checks out. This is the Audit Chain Luca financial report creation tool. This is Pacioli. Okay, perfect. Here's the reporting checklist. And everything checks out. It's a little bit harder to read than the other application, but it's the same information. Plus there's other information you can use to verify the report, like these subtype relations. I'll explain this in another video. But anyway, I don't think I'll call that good.